it became a first person I call with big news, a vent after a hard day at work, a help I'm making a major life decision, and a call because I got engaged kind of friendship. You guys have spent so much time apart, and I can't think of two people more deserving of finally being together. I am beyond happy that my best friend has found the man of her dreams, and to know that she will always be safe and happy, and above all, loved and cherished.
Rings are made of gold or precious metals as they normally are found to be. And I have before you a representation of this material that God naturally put on earth to become greater and in value as time goes by. They are shaped into a circle, and like love, it should never have an end. These rings physically will represent that you're married to one another. Rings do not make you faithful, but it says to people, you are faithful.
This is my older brother. He is truly a role model to me, a role model to my life, everything that I've done to this point. He's been a huge blessing, a huge impact. After he graduated Middlesex and went on to go to Becker College, where he finally met this beautiful young lady that he's currently getting married to and is married, and I'm just happy that she's a part of our family. I have another sister. I didn't lose a brother, but I gained a sister.
You may kiss your bride.
Let's put our hands together and let's receive Mr. and Mrs. Timothy and Tanashia from there.